In Bhandivad village of Hubballi taluk, heavy rain and strong winds today caused damage to a government Kannada school as the roofing sheets installed on the building were blown away. The incident occurred due to sudden heavy rainfall accompanied by strong winds which tore off the roof sheet panels of the school building. The winds, reported to be stronger than the rain, caused significant damage to the structure and several sheets were completely displaced, creating concern among villagers. Reports also suggest that several houses in the village have also suffered damage due to the same weather conditions. At the time of the incident, children had already left the school. Therefore, no loss of life or injuries were reported. However, villagers expressed concern that if the incident had taken place during school hours, it could have posed a serious risk to the lives of students. Locals have raised concerns over the maintenance and safety standards of the school building. They have urged the concerned authorities along with constituency MLA NH Konareddy to immediately visit the spot and conduct an inspection. The villagers have also demanded that repair work on the damaged school to be up on priority and that a safe learning environment be ensured for the students. Reported by Kalmesh Mandyal. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.